Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you a beginner tutorial for Miro. And Miro is a platform that allows people to connect and perform together. It's really simple to use. Just let me show you how to work with it. First, this is the main page. This is where it shows you what kind of things you can do. And if we want to log in, first we have to sign up for free. Or like now you enter your email, or I'm going to sign up with Google. Select my account. And it should let you in. It may take a few seconds, but just sit tight and be steady. And now it is trying to bring me into the site. Now you first, upon creating your account, you have to enter your account name or team name. I'm going to set it to net tech. So you have to choose an option like IT services. Have ever used Miro before, and you select work. What's a role? Executive. Company size 50. How did you hear about Miro? And you select whatever you want to select first. So after that, second of all, you can invite teammates that can join you on the platform, and or you can enter their emails here, but for now we are going to skip it. So here's the kind of the main thing of the platform. This is the team. This is what your team is going to do. You can do retrospectives, mind maps, task tracking, brainstorming, product roadmaps, user journey mapping. So I'm gonna select mind maps, and let's see. We're being redirected to a page that that is the mind map page. So we're using a mouse. Here you are given a tutorial, but I'm doing a tutorial right now. You can drag your mind map. You can use Control to auto assign. You can use right click to drag and see. So there is also here a small tutorial that you can use to ease up the start of your solving of problems. So here you can add text, or you can add more stems to the tree, to the mind maps tree. First, here's your problem. You can you can redesign the font size. You can make it bigger. You can make it slow. You can shrink it. Also, you can use auto layout, change the theme of it. You can choose a note type. It can be rectangular, more circular. You can change the font. You can change the text color. And yeah, so here your setting up your team project. Like you can, yeah, like the main problem is finances. And after that, like the first thing that is the main problem of the finances is how to find them. After that, oh, I didn't mean to add stem, so you can, sorry, you can add these, or you can connect these stems one to another. After that, you can connect to that. You can release up your experience here. You can view someone else's board. Here is the main menu of the app. Here is our account. Here we can add teams. Like here's the team name. You can be you can join or be added to another team. Here you can do a Kevin framework, quick response, retrospective. You can make all kinds of different boards. Here you can add users. You can upload boards from times if you have like created a board before or doing anything. Also, there are paid plans tomorrow. Like there's a starter plan that's $8, and you can choose for how much members you want to. Like if I want for 101 members, it would be $808. It gives you these things, these paid perks. You can also use business for many people. For one member, you can also change how much people you would like to be in your business. You can also use the enterprise. But if you want to use the enterprise, if you want to buy the enterprise edition, you have to contact the sales support for pricing. So here you can compare the free to the pay, to the starter paid version, to the business paid version, to the enterprise pay version. So you can, in the free version, you can only have 3 editable boards. In starter paid plan, you can have unlimited. In business also you can have unlimited. In enterprise you can have unlimited. You also get these kinds of perks that will help you create your boards and like support your team and yeah, everything. So in conclusion, Miro is a great tool to work as a team, make boards, any kinds of boards you'd like. There are paid versions that can give you a lot of perks that could help you with your work. And yes, guys, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, comment if you liked it and if I helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.